Roald Dahl had 5 wonderful children who were inspired to write because of him. Happy birthday to Roald Dahl. It's September the 13th, 1916, and everybody's happy all around. Oh, I think it's time to blow out the candles. Here are some irresistible books that Roald Dahl wrote him very self. James and the Giant Peach. The BFG. Boy Tales of Childhood. Danny Champion of the World. The Enormous Crocodile. Vaulting Rhymes. The Giraffe and the Pelly and Me. The Magic Finger. Matilda. George's Marvelous Medicine. Woo! In 1939, he joined the RAF, the Royal Air Force. He made a pilot officer. Here are some interesting factoids about Roald Dahl's life. Roald Dahl was born in Llandaff in Wales. In 1912, Roald Dahl's 7-year-old half-sister Astrid died of appendix, and his father died that very same year from pneumonia. Roald Dahl's first job was a shell petroleum worker. In 1939, he joined the RAF, the Royal Air Force. He was made a pilot officer. Roald Dahl was left temporarily blind because he had a plane crash in the Royal Air Force. Roald Dahl was encouraged to write his first children's books by C.S. Forester. The name of his first children's book Roald Dahl wrote was The Gremlins. Roald Dahl married Patricia Neal in 1953. He won many awards such as 3 Poe Awards, World Fantasy Convention Lifetime Achievement Award. Unfortunately, he died on November the 23rd, 1990. Thank you. Silence in Roald Dahl's honour. Thank you!